Today we're making baksimadia, easy Greek biscuits. In one bowl, put aside your flour, half a cup sugar, little bit Greek cinnamon, and 1 pinch Greek salt. Now mix him up, combine him nicely, get some oranges, squeeze half a cup of the juice, and put him inside. Half a cup Greek olive oil, 1 tablespoon brandy. Now mix him up, make one dough, put a little bit of flour on your bench, and knead him till it's nice and smooth. Like this. In one pot, half cup sesame seeds, feed him a little bit of water, turn him on the gazi, when he's kind of boiled, turn him off. Drain him, now spread him out, 1 tea towel. Get your dough, cut him in half, now roll him up, so you got it 2 logs, like this. Put your dough the seeds, cover him very good, fix him at the edges, now put him your bench, and slowly, we roll again. Just make the seeds go inside a little bit. Put them in one tray, press him down how you like him. Now get one knife, slowly, we make the pieces, but just a little bit, don't go in the whole way. Now do your cross the top, and put them in the oven, 160 degrees Celsius. 30 minutes, we'll take them out. Now get a knife with the teeth, cut him all the way through. Spread them in the tray and leave them standing up. Now put him back 100 degrees Celsius. After 30 minutes, they're done. Put them one rack and leave them cool down and going hard. Fix them up some Greek coffee. She's beautiful, the kafedaki. She's bloody beautiful, mate.